Brigit can provide eligible users access to cash advances, while Line focuses on providing access to money through its app, so approval speed depends on eligibility, account details, and the service you are using. By the end, you'll know how Brigit and Line compare on approval process, features, and which app may fit your situation better. The main difference is how each app handles access to money. Brigit is designed around cash advances and money management features. Users connect their financial information, and the app reviews their account details to determine available options. Line uses its own process to determine access to its financial features. Approval depends on the information available through your account and the requirements set by the app. When comparing approval speed, the fastest option depends on whether you already meet the requirements for that service. With Brigit, users typically need to connect their account information and complete the setup process before seeing available options. A complete profile can help the app evaluate eligibility. With Line, users should check the requirements shown during sign-up, because approval depends on the account information and features available to them. Next, compare what happens after approval. Brigit is built for users who want access to cash advances, along with tools that help manage their money. It may appeal to people who want both financial tracking and short-term cash support. Line is more focused on providing access to funds through its app. It may work better for users who prefer a simpler approach centered around available money access. Fees and terms should also be reviewed before choosing. The cost of using either app can depend on the specific features, account eligibility, and options shown in the app. Check the details before requesting access to money. The better choice depends on what you need. Choose Brigit if you want a cash advance app with additional money management features. Choose Line if its approval process and available financial tools match your needs. Before signing up, compare the information each app requests, the features you qualify for, and the costs shown in your account. To summarize, Brigit focuses on cash advances and financial tools, while Line focuses on access to money through its app. Approval speed depends on your eligibility and account details, so review both apps before choosing. Subscribe for more simple comparisons of money apps.